Right, back we go. It is Wednesday, March 10th. Checking out some stocks. Markets up huge. Dow Jones plus 535, S&P plus 39, Nasdaq plus 71. Checking out some different stocks here. Let's look at XL. XL is, let's see here, 1.53 billion market cap. Insiders own 24%, institutions 8%. Don't have the float here on FinViz. Develops, deploys a hybrid electric solutions for commercial municipal vehicle market in North America. Headquartered in Boston, Mass. Founded 2009. So, this had the big move. It flattened out 10 in November. Came all the way up to 18, pulled back. Moved up really hard to 34. And then came back really strong to 20. I thought this was going to break back up, but it didn't do it and really dropped with tech and dropped again. I found this tail on 950. And this is another one. Draw your line with stochastic. See this? To me, this is going to break up. See that you have a rolling that's going to break up here. Rolling down move. Unless there's another leg down in tech. Yes, 10 levels huge. This has been this way for a long time. So looks like a wedge we're going to come out of back and forth. We're going to explode out to probably 14. I would say maybe the 16 level I would look for. This big candle here is huge, maybe 1688. And your low right here is this candle here. To me, that low is a 950 stop. We'll see how this plays out. Things are developing. They're sort of bouncing back, but is this a fake out or the real deal? We're going to start moving up. And I think the low is pretty much in. Unless we do this or maybe come back and test again, we'll see how that plays out. They passed the stimulus bill. All right, VTRS. So let's look at this one here. 515 million float, 79% institutional ownership, 16.4 billion market cap. On the 8th, drug delivery announced FDA tentative approval of first abbreviated new drug application, generic version of Symbicort. That was the 8th. Healthcare company manufactures, distributes various medicines for patients, United States and internationally. To me, this has this line right here. And then you have one right up here at 1850. So you have to move up. This is back in 2020. We pull back a little bit, try to get over this line so you can see this big line. It's a big double, triple top right here. This thing dropped off really hard and went all the way down to a low in this hammer candle of 1331. Now we're trying to come up 1410. In this, I'm looking for these moving averages. I think we can get the 1550 right here. We'll see if that turns out. In a swing, you're very oversold, 1316. So the risk reward to the downside is lower here and more to the upside. So I like this. So watch that on VTRS. eBay. $655 million float, 93% institutional ownership, 37.92 billion market cap. And we all know what eBay is, operates marketplace platforms that connect buyers and sellers worldwide. Now this had pretty much a broadening wedge. This was up and down since July. Big back and forth moves. This really exploded up to 64. A nice run up. Then it really dropped hard. And here's another hammer candle right here. This low, 51.51. Then we start to bounce up. Still oversold. Now we're going to touch here. We then bounce back down to retest, or we're going to go through there or go sideways. Yeah, that'll be the question. If we can get up through here and then eventually, and this is going to look like another bottom here, which I think is what's happening. Look at the move in March in this. This was as low as 28, went all the way up to 60. That was a run. Sort of connects here. You can put it closer. You can put one here, but I think this is a pullback right now. You can see with the hammer candle, it's a nice correction. So it could do this again. It could come here, and I think we'll test the back. That's one scenario. Then back and forth up, or we could go straight through, sideways, straight through. But still potential of the upside being this oversold on eBay. All right, that's it. XL, great potential too. VTRS, another one, big gap above. We'll see what happens here. Please subscribe to Mike Kim Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Anything else is always good. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Kim Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank I. Peace.